Hello there. So you want to know how you can go ahead and Snapchat web sign up on your desktop. This is going to be the only video you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's just get straight into the video. First things first, simply go ahead and open any browser that you want to and simply go ahead and search for Snapchat web sign up, just like I did, and simply click on the first button which says sign up. Now once you've done that, there's couple of options you can go ahead and go through. You can either sign up with Google or you can go ahead and add manually. So go ahead and enter your name, your last name, birthday, username, password, and simply click on agree and continue, and you should be signed up. For me, I'm just going to go ahead and continue and sign up with my Google. That is absolutely it. All you need to do is just continue, and there you go. That is just 2 clicks away to go ahead and sign up. Now simply go ahead and add your birthday just like I'm doing. There you go, and go ahead and enter your birthday, enter a username, enter a password, and now click on agree and continue. All you need to do is simply click on skip, and there you go. As you can see, you are gonna be logged into your Snapchat web. So I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button and I'll see you on the next one.